Hello, my dear children. Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Today we'll start with Chapter 2 Understanding Windows 10. Hope you are already aware of few details of Windows 10 from your last year lab session. So let's now learn in more detail about Windows 10. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates, who is one of the world's most famous personality and one of the richest man in the world. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and hardware. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer just like the principal of a school who manages all the activities running in a school. The first GUI edition of Windows featuring a new user interface in 1985 and was called Windows 1.0. The increased use of technology and continuous research has led to the development of advanced edition of Windows named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. These are the different versions of Windows. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows, was released on July 29, 2015. Now Windows 10 and its features. It is easy to use, more interactive and the most secured version of Windows. It is much more personal and provides you with the ability to redecorate your desktop with new backgrounds, themes, colors and icons. Cortana enables you to search anything on your system or the web directly. The application Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photos, maps, messaging, mail, calendar, etc. We can create multiple desktop for different set of applications by using the Task View button. Next feature is Snap Assist. Snap Assist is a useful feature that helps you to rearrange your windows to make the best use of your screen space. Arrow Shake feature of Windows 10 allows you to minimize all the open window except the one you want to work on. Windows Hello feature allows you to access your computer by showing your face fingerprints. It provides an extra security to your system. And my dear children, this is the picture of Windows 10 desktop. At the bottom left side you see Start menu. Near the Start button you can see search box Cortana. And on the right side of taskbar you can see system tray, or you can say notification area. Now what is desktop? The desktop is the first screen of Windows. Here we can find various icons representing files, folders and application etc. Now next is what is taskbar. Taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen. It displays the start button on the extreme left side. The middle area of the taskbar contains the open and frequently used apps. The taskbar holds the notification area on its right side, which includes a clock and a group of other icons. The peek button at the right end of the taskbar makes your open windows transparent so that you may see your desktop. Next is icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders and apps. They play a very important role in graphical user interface. Let us learn about some of the commonly used icons. First icon is this PC. It gives you a view of the available drives and their content stored on the computer system. Next is application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Third icon is shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. Fourth one is document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. Fourth is network. It allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network. And the last is recycle bin. The recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted file or folders. Next is start menu. When you click on the start button at the bottom left of the screen, you get two panels side by side. The left column displays the pinned, recently added and most used apps. The right column displays a section of live tiles that you can customize, resize and reorganize. And the next is live tiles. These tiles displays latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. Without opening the app. You can rearrange, resize and move these tiles according to your requirement.